Well, I hope everyone is ready for an exciting week in crypto. We're starting off on a great note so far, seeing green throughout the space. And this is coming after, obviously, our exciting event that happened on the weekend, the Bitcoin halving, taking us into a new era in crypto. Right now, we're seeing BTC float right about 66K, Shiba Inu at 4027. All the things that we're hoping to see are still looking good. We have Shiba Inu broken out. We're setting some trend here. So I'd like to continue on this path as we get further into the week. But the real exciting thing that happened over the weekend for Shiba Inu is 1.4 million. We actually, for the first time ever, breached 1.4 million holders. Now, what I will say is that we did have some profit takers, some sellers. We did drop back below there. That happens, guys. It does happen, from time to time, and it would not surprise me if we continue to rally back and break back through this number. But that brought me to this. All right. I had a question or a mention of a lot of centralization when it comes to Shiba Inu. And that's not necessarily the case. I think sometimes people get confused by these wallets at the top and think that Shiba Inu has these big, massive whales that are controlling the price and dragging things around. And that's not the case at all. Shiba Inu is actually very decentralized. In fact, when we look at the top holders when it comes to Shiba Inu, you can see that when we look at these top 10 holders here, most of them are actually exchanges. And I want to discuss this with you guys. So right here, largest wallet, this is actually the burn wallet, 41% of the supply. Again, this is supply that cannot re-enter the space. Then you have crypto.com, Binance, Robinhood. I'm pretty sure this is an exchange as well right here. You have Binance. This is a whale wallet. OKX, Binance, again, this one I believe is a whale wallet too. You have SHIB staking, gate.io, crypto.com. These are those, these ones right here are those mystery wallets like we talked about. So you have a big concentration at the top of just essentially custody wallets by exchanges. So know this, when you deposit onto an exchange, your crypto is not sitting in your wallet. It actually goes to a consolidated wallet that's held by these exchanges. That's why it's custody, right? They're holding it in custody for you. So there are not these massive entities at the top that control Shiba Inu. That's not the case at all. In fact, most of the whales are further down this list. But that is why I've said time and time again that, guys, whales aren't controlling the price. Maybe up here, if we had some large entities, buying and selling, it could move price faster because, again, there's not a lot of available SHIB in the market. We have thin levels of liquidity, so you could move faster. So yes, I guess it could get pushed around, but that's not what's been happening. We tracked the whale movements, for example. I looked again this morning on Nansen, $180,000 in outflows, yet we're still showing very good support up in these levels in terms of Shiba Inu. It's because retail is the big driver. Retail is the one that moves these charts. And it's not because of one person coming in and moving things. It's because of a collective group of people getting in and pushing the charts up. That's, again, why Shiba Inu adoption has been so high and continues to climb. So honestly, it would not surprise me if we make a move to over 1.5 million holders sometime during the course of this year. Maybe it accelerates faster. Remember, again, Shiba Inu is dominated by retail. Retail is what's going to make things move in terms of SHIB. And it's also what is going to send this holders hopefully towards this 3 to 4 million large range by the end of this cycle. So I appreciate you guys as always. Just wanted to share that with you. That's very exciting that we hit that. And hopefully we continue to make these strides forward over the course of the week and into the rest of the year. But have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.